Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and I'm back with another new launch lipstick video. It is from the brand Swiss Beauty and they have recently launched this stunning lipstick collection and it's their HD matte lipsticks. So in this video, I'll be talking everything about these lipsticks, whether you should buy it or not and their pros and cons as well. Before moving forward, मैं एक छोटा सा डिस्क्लेमर देना चाहती हूँ that this is not a sponsored video. ना ही ब्रांड ने मुझे प्रोडक्ट सेंड किए हैं. All these 9 lipsticks I have purchased with my own money and so I'll be sharing my very honest review along with swatches. Meanwhile, if you like my content then please subscribe to my channel and let's begin with the video. Alright, तो Swiss Beauty एक काफ़ी फेमस इंडियन कॉस्मेटिक ब्रांड है जो कि बहुत अफोर्डेबल है with good quality products and this time they have come up with this amazing lipstick range and this is their Swiss Beauty HD matte lipstick. This is how the outer packaging looks like and यहाँ पे उन्होंने सारे ingredients भी mention किए हुए हैं. If we talk about the inner bullet, then it comes with this gorgeous gradient magnetic packaging. So this packaging reminds me of Huda Beauty Power Matte Lipstick, I guess. Yeah, but as a point of view, ये लिपस्टिक आपको हुडा के लिपस्टिक से हाफ के प्राइस में मिल जाएगी. Yes, you got me right. So अगर आप एक हुडा की लिपस्टिक लोगे तो उसमें आप ये 6 लिपस्टिक खरीद सकते हो. This will cost you for ₹299 for 3.5 gram of product, which is amazing. I also like how they made this bullet color coordinated. So these lipsticks comes with 4 years of shelf life. तो आप 4 साल में इनको आराम से यूज कर सकते हो. Now I will show you the application and swatches of these lipsticks in artificial light, daylight, with makeup and on bare skin, along with hand swatches. And later on, I will tell you my final verdict about this product with pros and cons. This is the shade 02 Orange Red and it's a beautiful wearable orange shade with hint of reds in it. This is going to be my summer favorite for sure. I love how pigmented they are with just one swipe application. In daylight, it looks more orange than red. If you're between fair to medium skin tone and looking for new summer shade, you should get this one and it won't disappoint you. For deeper skin beauties, you can also wear it with red lip liner. This is the shade number 07 Mauve Blush and as the name suggests, it's a beautiful mauve color with the right amount of pink and brown in it. This one is everyday kind of a shade and a perfect nude for medium to dusky skin tones. For light and fair skin tones, it will look more dusky rose pink than mauve. I love how it's universally flattering across all the skin tones. This is the shade number 08 Peach Day and you can see how beautifully it swatches on hand and lips. This is a peachy nude but having equal amount of pink in it. So if you're someone who thinks peach shade washes you out, you need to try this one. Usually peachy nudes are not meant for deeper skin tones, but the shade Peach Day will suit all Indian skin tone. It will look peachy pink on lighter skin tones and the perfect peach nude for deeper skin tones. Shade number 09 is Cute Nude and probably the lightest shade among all the shade that I got. This is a brown nude shade with little bit of terracotta undertones to it. It will look different on different skin tones but probably going to be everyone's favorite. If you like brown nudes and just want to pick one lipstick from this HD matte collection, I will recommend you to get this one because it is difficult to find nude shade like this in powder matte formulas. That's the shade number 11 Choco Lava and it's a deep earthy brown color with lot of red in it. It's not a chocolate brown color so it will suit all Indian skin tones. I love the fact that this whole range consists of such unique colors and I didn't find a single shade that washes out Indian skin tones. Next is shade number 12 Attitude. This is my kind of a color and apparently the most favorite shade from this collection. If you're following me for the long time then you must be knowing my love for purple lipsticks. I found this shade very unique with mixture of pink, mauve and purple in it. This is the kind of shade you can wear it to your important meeting at work as well as at night party. So do give it a try. Okay, so this is another beautiful vibrant pink shade you can try for this summer, and it's their shade number 15, Fire Pink. It's a beautiful Barbie pink but more on a deeper side, so no matter what skin tone you have, it will look fresh and gorgeous on you. Whether you're wearing a makeup or not, this pink will pop out on your face. If you're deeper than NC 40 or 45, I would suggest you to use it with dark pink or maroon lip liner. Let's move on to the next shade, and it's in the shade number 17, Fresh Red. This is a cool tone red with lot of pink in it. This shade can be a dupe of MAC Russian Red. I love how it gives classy red lips look to my face with and even without makeup. Again, this is a shade which will suit all Indian skin tones. If you're going to be a bride and looking for a long lasting cool tone red shade, please go ahead and get this. The last shade that I have from this collection is 22 Brandy Harrington. It's a beautiful burgundy brown shade, mostly suitable for deeper skin tones. It's a winter shade, but you can pull it off if you're comfortable with dark browns and winey shades. This one will look different on different skin tones. For me, it's looking more darker, but for deeper skin tones, it will look more like a wine nude color. As per my experience, my mommy will love it more than my younger sister. Okay, so I loved swatching them on my lips. So these lipsticks are so pigmented yet so creamy. It glides like butter but doesn't leave any shine on your lip. They are completely matte, and I would say this is more towards powder matte formula. Also, this range has 24 shades as of now, and I wish they would launch some more nudes in this collection because I love their texture and formula in this price range. अब थोड़ा इनके pros and cons के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. प्रो नंबर 1, इनकी क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है. लाइक राइट नाउ इन मार्केट 299 रुपीज़ में आपको इससे अच्छी पाउडर मैट या HD मैट लिपस्टिक और कहीं नहीं मिलेगी. प्रो नंबर 2, इनकी पैकेजिंग है ये एग्जैक्ट कलर कोऑर्डिनेटेड है. आपको इनका शेड नेम या नंबर याद रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इनकी बुलेट देख के आप समझ जाओगे कि ये कौन सा शेड है. प्रो नंबर 3, इसकी लास्टिंग पावर बहुत अच्छी है. इट विल लास्ट ऑन योर लिप्स फॉर मिनिमम 7 to 8 hours विदाउट एनी टचअप. प्रो नंबर 4, इट इज़ लेस ट्रांसफरेबल. ये लिपस्टिक हार्डली 5 to 10% ट्रांसफर हो जाएगी. दैट टू इन द केस जब आपने अभी भी अप्लाई किया है और आप तुरंत टेस्ट कर रहे हो. अदरवाइज इफ़ यू आर अप्लाइंग इट एंड कीपिंग इट फॉर गुड 1 hour विदाउट ईटिंग एनीथिंग और डैबिंग टिश्यू ऑन योर लिप्स, तो ये आराम से ट्रांसफर प्रूफ हो जाती है. आई हैव एक्चुअली ट्राइड दिस, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम शेयरिंग इट विथ यू गाइज. Pro number 5, it comes with this magnetic packaging which looks so good, and ये कहीं से भी cheap quality का product नहीं लगता है. It actually feels like, you know, that Lux brand वाला product. Pro number 6, they have 24 shades in total, which is mix of red, browns, nude, orange, coral, pink, purple. But all these shades complement every Indian skin tone, and there's not even a single shade which will wash you out, and this is what I love about these lipsticks. Okay, so I found out some cons about this product as well. So the con number 1 is, even though it comes with the magnetic packaging, they have just 2 points where it works. So अगर आप लिपस्टिक को ऐसे बंद करते हो तो वो मैग्नेट काम नहीं करेगा. It may open in your bag. I don't understand the logic behind it, but yeah, they could have been little more thoughtful about it. Con number 2 is, इसमें से जो कुछ शेड्स है जैसे कि वाइब्रेंट पिंक और डार्क ब्राउन, पर्पल, प्लम शेड, तो ये शेड्स आपके लिप्स पे थोड़ा सा टिंट छोड़ती है, स्पेशली इन द फाइन लाइंस, which I think they can fix it. It's maybe because of the color payoff and formulation. And I wanted to mention that ये सारे शेड्स के साथ नहीं है. कुछ शेड्स है जिनके साथ ये प्रॉब्लम है कि वो लिप्स पे टिंट छोड़ देती है. So for the people who don't like tint on their lips because of lipsticks, they may not like this product. So it's 6 versus 2, and it's pretty clear that these lipsticks are win-win products at this price range. You should definitely check them out. So फिलहाल ये सिर्फ Flipkart और Amazon पे अवेलेबल है, and जब मैंने इन्हें परचेज किया था तो ये Amazon पे भी कुछ शेड्स अवेलेबल नहीं थे. So I have purchased all 9 shades from Flipkart, and I'll mention all these purchase links in my description box down below, so you can go there and check it out. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I will definitely recommend you to try at least one shade from this range, and I hope you found this review helpful and enjoyed the swatches. If you do so, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you super soon in my next new launch video. So stay tuned, take care, and bye bye.